For the parabola y square equals 4ax, a normal chord AB is drawn at a point A such that AB is shortest. So basically here we are talking about the shortest normal chord. And then we need to find circumcenter of this triangle OAB. Now we have this parabola, which is y square equals 4ax. And then we have this normal chord, which is AB. Now we want this normal chord to be of shortest length. So in one of the previous video, we have already discussed that length of a normal chord is given by 4a t1 square plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 upon t1 square if it is drawn at this point, which is a t1 square twice a t2. And suppose this other end is a t2 square twice a t2. Now we need to minimize it. So what we'll do is we'll square it and then we'll differentiate. So we'll write L square as 16a square t1 square plus 1 whole cube upon t1 to the power 4. Now we'll differentiate with respect to t1. So we'll write 2L dl upon dt1. It'll be 16a square, and then we can write t1 to the power 4 3 t1 square plus 1 whole square into 2t1, and then minus it'll be t1 square plus 1 whole cube into 4 t1 cube. Now we'll take 2 t1 cube and t1 square plus 1 whole square common. So we'll take it common. We'll write 16a square, and then we'll write 2 t1 cube and then t1 square plus 1 whole square. So then we'll get 3 t1 square and then minus 2 t1 square plus 1. And for maxima and minima, we'll need to find its critical point. So we'll put it equals to 0. Then we'll get 32a square t1 cube t1 square plus 1 whole square, and then it will be t1 square minus 2 equals to 0. So we'll get value of t1 as plus or minus root 2, and we'll also get t1 as 0. So we'll plot these roots on a number line. We'll get minus root 2, 0 and plus root 2. Rightmost is plus, so it is plus, minus, plus and minus. So we'll get a minima when the value of t is either plus root 2 or minus root 2. So length of this normal chord, it will be minimum when the value of t1 is, say, root 2. So if the value of t1 is root 2, we can write this point A as a t1 square twice a t1. So it will be 2a and 2 root 2a. Now we'll write this point B. Now we know that relationship between t1 and t2 is t2 equals minus t1 minus 2 upon t1. So we'll put t1 as root 2. We'll write minus root 2 and then minus root 2. So actually value of t2 is minus 2 root 2. So now we can write B also. So coordinate of this point B, it will be at square. It will simply be 8a 2at2. So it will be minus 4 root 2a. Now we need to find circumcenter of this triangle OAB. Now we'll find slope of OA. So we know that slope of OA is 2 root 2a upon 2a. So it'll simply be root 2, and we'll find slope of OB. Slope of OB is minus 4 root 2a upon 8a. So it'll be minus 1 upon root 2. So we look at it, we'll find m1 into m2 is minus 1. So if product of slope is minus 1, it means this angle is 90 degrees. So this triangle OAB, it is a right angle triangle. Now in a right angle triangle, circumcenter is midpoint of hypotenuse. So that means circumcenter of this triangle OAB, which is say S, it is given by midpoint of A and B. Now A is 2A and B is 8A. So S is given by 2A plus 8A by 2 and then 2 root 2A minus 4 root 2A by 2. So circumcenter of this triangle will be at 5A minus root 2A. Now we'll take TS minus root 2, then we'll get another result, and I think that result will be 5A comma root 2A. So there'll be two answers possible in this question.